So, what's the difference between HRT and MHT? They basically mean the same thing with respect to menopause, with a tiny technical difference. The term HRT stands for hormone replacement therapy and has been used since the 1900s for the use of external hormones for menopausal symptoms in women. Now, recently, this terminology was changed to MHT or menopausal hormone therapy. Why? Because when we say hormone replacement, it seems to convey that we are trying to replace hormones once their levels decline to replicate the hormone levels of a young woman. But in reality, what we are trying to do is use hormone therapy for the treatment of menopausal symptoms and for the prevention of conditions that increase postmenopause. And so the term menopausal hormone therapy or MHT seems to be more accurate. But most women and doctors like me who trained many, many years ago are more familiar with the term HRT. It's like if you woke me up in the middle of the night and asked me where I grew up, I'd probably still say Bombay and not Mumbai. Bottom line, MHT is the new HRT, and that's what we're going to call it henceforth.